Hello everyone. Today we will see a simple basic program to add two numbers. So we are here in the interface of PC Basic Interpreter. So in the first line, that is line number 10, we need to take the input from the user. So we are writing input A comma B. So it means the user is going to input two numbers which are going to be stored into the variables a and b. First number is going to be stored into a and the second number goes to b. So in the line number 20 we wanna find the sum of the two numbers. So we need another container, that means another variable to store the sum. So you will write c as the third variable, and we are storing the sum of a and b into c. So we will write c equal to a plus b. That means the sum of a and b goes to the variable c. Then in the line number 30 we will just simply print the value of our variable c. So you will write print c, and in line number 40 we are gonna terminate the program. So we are typing end. This is the structure of the whole program. Now we will run the program. For running the program, we can just simply type run, or we can also press F2 button. So I have written run and hitting the enter. So you can see a question mark is on the screen. So we are now supposed to enter two numbers. So I am entering 3 comma 4. There are two numbers and hitting enter again. So you can see the computer is showing us 7. So obviously the sum of 3 and 4 is 7, and thus the program works. Thanks for watching.